Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C35, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here, and all you really want to do is just select your desired language. Now I'll be sticking with English, so that's selected by default for me. So all I need to do is select next or continue and then find my desired language. Or not the language, what am I saying? Region. Now, selecting region will basically define your time zone, so you probably want to select the correct one, though you don't really need to. The next page, we have legal information, so obviously we need to agree to the user agreement or not slash, but the below option, which is the privacy, security, and protection. So these are the two required ones that we need to agree to. Obviously, you can also tap on this little eye icon right here in the circle. So this will show you actual hello screen. There we go. This will actually show you the entire legal document that you are agreeing to. Anyway, from here we can proceed further to the Wi-Fi connection. This is completely optional, so you don't need to connect to Wi-Fi. You can just simply select next and completely disregard this. By doing so, like I am going to do, you will not see a Google login page throughout the setup process without any kind of network. So if you want to log into your Google account as an example, then you need to either insert a SIM card or connect to Wi-Fi. Otherwise, you can do that later on once the setup is complete, but you will need to go to the settings, accounts, and then add your Google account from there. Now next page we have some Google services. So quickly going into these, we have first one, which is use location. This is GPS tracking for the device, so it can give you an accurate route to your destination for apps like Google Maps. Google Maps then knows where you're located on the map. Then we have allow scanning, which allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And below that we have send user and diagnostic data. This allows Google to basically gather data on how you use the device, what you search for, and stuff like that. A little bit creepy of a spyware, so I'm gonna turn that off. Oh, for goodness sake. There we go. So I'm gonna turn that off and then proceed further. So right here we can set up some kind of screen lock to our phone. We have three different options. We have fingerprint, face recognition, and also PIN, pattern, or password. That is all three under the password section. Now to quickly go into this, if you're planning to use either fingerprint or face recognition, or maybe both, you will always be required to set up a PIN, pattern, or password. The reason for that is if something would happen to your fingerprint, like you cut your finger as an example, or maybe you get beat up and your face is unrecognizable, whatever the case may be, or maybe something happens with the sensors on here, you still have other ways to unlock your device, that'd be through PIN, pattern, or password. So that's the reason for it. Now I'll be skipping just screen locks altogether, assuming I can press the damn skip button. There we go, and this finishes up the setup. So let's get started, and this will take us to our home screen. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.